Prefontaine is one of the most significant and sad individuals in Nike history. As is customary, the brand has consistently referred to the Oregon athlete during their ascent to prominence as the industry behemoth that they are today. The Pre Montreal is still the swoosh model most commonly linked to Prefontaine, a retail release that was lined up to coincide with the international competition, even though his death occurred before the 1976 Olympic Games. Beaverton designers grafted the USA colorway onto the Vaporfly 4, which is now in the canon as a chapter in the revolutionary supershoe series, to honor that shoe and the runner in general. Additionally shown are the shoe's curved swoosh and the original Nike branding. Lastly, the rear part of the enormous ZoomX sole is faux-aged in sepia to symbolize the history at work. It is anticipated that the Nike Vaporfly 4 will be available on Nike.com and through affiliated stores in the summer or fall of 2025. It is projected to retail for $260.